Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. This year I'm going to be doing something different with my bar cart for fall. So if you want to know how I start my bar cart, I would love for you to just hang out and go on this journey with me. This year I'm going to be doing just some Dollar Tree items in shopping my own home. And instead of doing a regular bar cart, I wanted to do something with treats for my family. So yeah, I really enjoyed putting this bar cart together, and my family enjoyed eating all of these treats. So we're gonna get right into it. I have some treats on the bottom, as you can see. So the first thing I want to talk about is this really cute gold foil ribbon. Now this was actually in a haul that I did earlier for the Dollar Tree. As you can see on one side, it's really pretty, and then the other side, it's just a really pretty autumn color. But I like the way it reflects the mirror on the top shelf of the bar cart. And at nighttime when the lights are down, it is so pretty the way it reflects the light. And I absolutely love it. And this little pumpkin, this little black glitter pumpkin rather, they had several colors of pumpkins. It's already pre-lit. It already has the battery in it. All I have to do is cut it on. Really cute. That sign I already have on my bar cart, and I have just welcome fall on it. But what I want to talk about is this vase. It's a DIY that I did with a candle holder. As you can see, it's the Dollar Tree bottom with the vase. I just glittered it with some decoupage, and I use this for so many different styling in my home, so many different rooms, and I really like it. Really cheap, very nice. Now this right here is actually a stemless wine glass. I have that on my bar cart because I removed all of my other stemware and flutes, and I have these gold pumpkin picks that are at the Dollar Tree, along with some straws and some drink stirrers. And these are the glasses that I decided to go with because they would be great for cider. And I got these from TJ Maxx, but they were already in my home. I didn't buy them, so I just shopped my own home, like I said. Just a gold foil on them, very simple, very clean, because there's a lot going on this bar cart. So the next item I want to talk about is this DIY. It's just an olive oil bottle, believe it or not. And I took some Dollar Tree craft string, or some people like to call it jute, wrapped it, put a little pumpkin pick on top of there, and all of these florals are, yes, from the Dollar Tree. Even the autumn spray on top. And when you mix the colors, it really looks like, or makes me think of fall or autumn and being all warm and cozy. So they really had some good florals there, as they usually do, but for less. They had a lot of different pumpkins this year. This little cute gold glitter pumpkin, there was only one left, so I guess I was a little late to the game with this, but I really like it. It just matches the rest of my decor, so I put that up there, and of course the beaded pumpkin also. And then I have some napkins, just some gold foil napkins to pull everything together. Now this little jar is such a cute little jar. It just reminds me of like the old candy stores. It's so nostalgic. They sell this in the Dollar Tree also. I usually put tea bags in it. It's basically based on the season, but this year I put some really cute candy corns, and it would not be the fall or Halloween without candy corns. And of course they're from the Dollar Tree. I also have some pirouettes in this little jar from the Dollar Tree, a cannon jar. I wrapped a little bit of craft string around it to give it that look. My husband likes those pirouettes, so we try to pick those up when whenever we think about it, when we take a trip to the Dollar Store. I usually have them on Dollar Store. I usually have them on the coffee bar, but they're here now. Now I know this jar is from there. I know you're probably looking at those black licorice like, girl, yeah, I know, but I do like them. Anyway, so I also picked up some of these shortbreads from the Dollar Tree also, and just to give it a different item. He likes shortbread cookies, so I wanted to definitely incorporate those. And I want to actually go to this wreath that I previously made in a DIY. I have a series of DIYs with feathers. This was in a previous DIY, and the Dollar Tree had these little cute signs, or like little metal signs, Harvest, Thankful, or something else was in them. And I just paired that with this wreath. And if you want to see this DIY, I'll put the the link to it in the description bar below. Really nice, fun DIY. And I just have that hanging on a Pier 1 mosaic mirror. And that's how I styled the top of my bar cart. So I hope you like it. Now we're gonna go ahead and move down to the second shelf. Now on this shelf, basically I didn't go with the ribbon. I actually went with the gold tray. But as you'll see, I do still have one of these cute little beaded pumpkins. I think they did a really good job on those this year. I really like them. But yeah, this gold tray I just shopped my own home. This is a potpourri pumpkin. You'll probably see this in just about every tour of my home because this thing gets styled everywhere. But I really like it. It smells really good and it reminds me of fall. So on my bar cart, I do have some water, just some regular Pellegrino waters, and some bling coasters. You know, you need coasters. I don't have alcohol on there. I just, like I said, I put this gold tray on there to have the same color scheme. I really like it. This candle, I took some of that same foil ribbon that just reminds me of fall and autumn and wrapped a candle in it. And one of my picks for pumpkins, the pumpkin fell off. I didn't want to throw it away, so I just paired it with that. But this pretty ribbon is attached to, I don't use a ice bucket. I actually use a decanter that keeps beverages cold that I got off Amazon for less than $20. But this ribbon is a pretty wire ribbon, and it has the most beautiful autumn colors with the rusts and the reds, and it just reminds me of fall leaves and coziness. This is just a cider. It's supposed to be apple cider. I think it's peach, but that's what people drink this time of year. I also have this really cute glass pumpkin that when the lights are down, it's really got a nice ambiance and glow to it that reflects off the gold tray, and it's just so cute. And last but not least, I have this really big sunflower that I think I got from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. Sorry, I'm trying to get close to the vase. Of course, it's filled with treats of candy for the family. Yeah, so that's basically the lower shelf. So if you really like this, I had a good time. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and comment below, and also hit the bell for notifications. I would love to have you back, and I hope you got some great ideas for styling your bar cart for the fall.